7 Vacuum Review 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 7, Cordless Handheld Vacuum for Home, Car and Pets. Tired of daily messes disrupting your clean space? Meet your new cleaning superhero. Our cordless handheld vacuum delivers unrivaled 24 kilopascals super suction, powered by a 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor and dual modes to effortlessly tackle everything from crumbs to stubborn pet hair. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, its cordless design offers ultimate freedom, making quick cleanups in your home, car, or office a breeze. Equipped with a long-lasting 2,500 mAh battery and a convenient charging dock, it's always ready. The 4-in-1 accessories, including a sofa nozzle, ensure no detail is missed. Plus, maintaining peak performance is simple thanks to one-button emptying and washable HEPA and stainless steel filters. Experience powerful, hassle-free cleaning that truly transforms your everyday. Number 6, Automatic Food Sealer for Freshness. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Automatic Food Sealer, your ultimate partner for lasting freshness. Imagine delicious meals starting with perfectly preserved ingredients, thanks to its powerful, steady pump that swiftly removes air and creates a dependable, tight seal in mere seconds. This isn't just about preventing waste, it's about making weeknight dinners and meal prep effortless, freeing you to savor every moment. Engineered for durability, unlike flimsy alternatives, this ETL-certified sealer boasts premium components designed to perform reliably for years. Its sleek, compact design, just 15 inches, 2.6 pounds, blends beautifully into any countertop, always ready without cluttering your space. Plus, with a generous 5-year warranty, you're investing in enduring quality and confidence with every use. Number 5, Commercial Automatic 10-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. Meet the Commercial Automatic 10-in-1 Vacuum Sealer, your ultimate partner in food preservation. Master freshness with 10 intelligent modes, including dry, moist, extra moist, and gentle, normal, vacuum settings, ensuring every item, from delicate berries to juicy cuts, is perfectly sealed without crushing. Experience lightning-fast results. Our powerful 95 kilopascals double pump creates an airtight seal 50% faster in just 8 to 18 seconds, extending freshness up to 8 times longer. The handle-ease design simplifies operation, allowing effortless one-hand locking. Plus, with a robust double heat seal, built-in bag storage and cutter, real-time countdown, and continuous sealing without waiting, preserving food is now incredibly efficient and intuitive. This isn't just a sealer, it's smart, rapid preservation at your fingertips. Number 4, Portable Cordless Mini Vacuum. Meet your new secret weapon against everyday messes, the portable cordless mini vacuum. More than just a powerhouse vacuum, this incredible 4-in-1 device also functions as a blower, inflator, and air pump, truly an all-in-one compact cleaner for your car, home, and adventures. Don't let its featherweight 1.2 pounds design fool you. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, it delivers an astounding 20,000 pascals of suction across 3 adjustable levels, effortlessly lifting pet hair, sand, and stubborn crumbs. Charging is a breeze with universal USB-C, fully ready in just 2.5 hours. Plus, our one-tap empty design means hygienic debris disposal, and the washable HEPA filter ensures fresh air and peak performance. Experience unparalleled cleaning convenience. Number 3, Professional Vacuum Sealer and Cutter. Tired of food waste and freezer burn diminishing your groceries? Meet the Professional Vacuum Sealer and Cutter, your ultimate kitchen ally. Boasting a powerful -95 kPa suction and 230 W motor, it seals foods tightly in just 8 to 18 seconds, preserving freshness up to 8 times longer with its double heat seal. Effortlessly tackle any food type with 10 versatile modes, from delicate produce to moist meats, just one touch of the auto button. The integrated bag roll storage and cutter mean custom-sized bags are always ready, saving you time. Plus, its stainless steel surface and detachable sink make cleaning a breeze. Get started immediately with the comprehensive kit, including various bags and an air suction hose. Maximize freshness, minimize waste. Number 2, Compact Handheld Food Sealer Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for fresh food preservation with our compact handheld food sealer kit. Say goodbye to bulky machines. This powerhouse seals food 10x faster with 80 kPa suction and boasts a 70-minute continuous runtime from its 2000 mAh battery, perfect for busy kitchens or meal prep. Its intelligent wet/dry modes and detachable filter tank effortlessly handle everything from delicate fruits to juicy meats, preventing device failure. Lock in freshness up to 10 times longer for sous vide, leftovers, and snacks. We even include multi-sized, reusable bags designed for durability. Ultra-portable, cordless, and featuring one-button operation, it's ideal for home, RV, or camping adventures. Elevate your food storage today. Number 1, Self-Standing Lightweight Cordless Pet Vacuum. Transform your holiday cleaning with the self-standing lightweight cordless pet vacuum, a true festive marvel. Beyond its exclusive, handcrafted Christmas design with intricate snowflake decals, this powerhouse boasts a 500 W motor delivering 46 kPa suction, 40% stronger, effortlessly vanquishing glitter, crumbs, and pet messes. Enjoy an exceptional 55-minute runtime, perfect for whole home tidying before guests arrive. The smart LED display and 3 intuitive modes make operation seamless for everyone. Its V-shaped brush roll is a pet hair destroyer, while 5 LED lights reveal hidden dirt and lost ornaments under the tree. Versatile and gift-ready, it converts to a handheld for all your detailed cleaning needs. So, that sums up my 7 vacuum review. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,